Today we are making a super tasty Anda Ghotala. Are my little chefs all ready?
Yes! I am the fastest. No way, mine is cleaner than yours.
Girls, remove only the shells, not half egg.
The recipe will finish before you finish peeling. Wait, this tiny shell is hiding. See, I'm already grating.
No fighting, teamwork.
Pan is ready.
Now add the oil.
Ah, it's hot. Why are you throwing them? They're not basketballs.
Slowly, girls, don't be scared.
Onions coming. Now I'll make them golden.
Keep stirring.
Adding green chilli. I am adding ginger garlic paste. Smells so good already. Tomatoes. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, 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 mix.
Cook until they become soft.
Salt added. Chef is mixing. Add turmeric powder. Garam masala. Everything smells so amazing. Kashmiri chilli.
Cook the spices for a minute.
Here comes the grated eggs. Why are there so many eggs? My hand is tired. Need help? No, I can do it. Adding hot water. Now it's easier.
Let's cook for a few minutes.
Fresh coriander. One final mix.
Let the flavors come together.
Egg into the bowl. Beat it with the fork. Adding salt and masala.
Now make one omelette.
We'll place it on top. It will look so yummy. Our Anda Ghotala is ready. If you like our recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next recipe.